Hello everyone, today I'm going to review Penzu.com. Penzu is a very useful Web 2.0 tool. It can be used to write a journal, to take notes, or to present ideas in a very smarter way. The online writing experience gets much better with Penzu. Penzu tries to replicate the features of a real-life journal with features like adding images, with captions, and with sound clips. Also, it allows you to set privacy settings so that when you share your journal entries with someone else, uh, someone can access that document with a password. So, Penzu can be used as a great classroom tool as well. So, let's see how Penzu is being used. To use Penzu, first of all, you have to go to penzu.com, and as you see that it asks you to create your free journal. So if you click on that, you will see there is an option to register, and here I am already registered. So if you put your first name, last name, and the email, and confirm the email and also the password and agree and submit, you will be able to register. So since I am already registered, I am going to log into my account. So this is my username and the password I selected before, and this is how I log in. As you see, this is showing my name and the journal. And if you want to create a new journal, actually it asks you to pay. You have to go to the pro version, and so we are not going for that. So if I click on this, and as you see in the beginning, it takes me to a blank journal entry. So here are different options. The first one is the new entry. If you click on the new entry, it takes you to a new page, and you can save that one. So suppose I'm going to write a new journal entry like how to use penzu.com. First, create a free account, and then we can just write something in that way, and I save it, and it saves. And then you can print this entry, you can insert a picture. If you want to upload the picture from your computer, you can do that. Otherwise, if you are logged into Flickr, you can select your picture from your Flickr and you can add the picture here. Also, you can share, you can email to someone, or if you want to share it publicly, you can have a public link by clicking this get link option, and you can log the entry using some password and password hints. So as you know, like as I said, that you can share your journal entry with someone in a very secured way. So this is the way you can securely share your journal entries. And then if you want to format your writing, you can format from this way, and say like you want to make it colorful, and then you select the colors, and this way, just the usual way you can change. And then you can tag, but for tagging and customizing and the other versions, basically you have to go for the pro version. The last one is the comments. So if you want to comment, suppose your student submitted a journal entry where you want to comment, so you can use your own name, or you can use an anonymous way. When there are other people, many people are participating in a discussion and they want to keep their identity anonymous, you can also comment in this way. And if you post, and then it will be posted. So I didn't write anything. So this is how basically you use Penzu. And if you click all entries here, it shows all the entries. And for example, here one entry I created last month, how I took the attached photo. So you see here is one photo is attached, and if you click on view large, it shows the bigger version, and you can download as well. So basically, but here the date is June 8. I wrote it on June 8. So if you want to change the date, you have to go pro version. So as you see, with the free version, you are limited, but still it allows you to create a journal and the entries with the basic features. So I think this is great for classroom. Any teacher can use and ask their student to write their journal entries and share with the teachers and maybe the other students. And this is the main page again, and if you want to log out, you can click log out, and so you just go to the in a blank page, but as you are not logged in, to write something you have to log in. So this is basically the free version of the Penzu. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.